Today we're making coconut ice cream. I'm using today coconut milk, full fat, scrape all the hard part of it. You can use all of it, however I found it slightly icier. That's our base of the ice cream. As it's coconut ice cream, I'm adding desiccated coconut. It enhances the flavor. And I'm using Xylitol. The Xylitol helps the ice cream to be less icy. You can use any other sweetener. And we mix it. So this one will be soft serve. If you want to make a bigger portion, I would recommend you to add a pinch of xanthan gum. Xanthan gum will ensure that your ice cream stays smooth and not like a block of ice, but that's optional. It's taken about an hour and a half for my ice cream, so let's check it out. It smells so nice, like coconut. Look at that. Oh, so nice. Come on then, let's try it. So I will put my ice cream scooper in hot water just in case it's easier to take it out. Look at that. Smells so nice. Tasting of the keto coconut ice cream. Texture is amazing. It's not like block of ice. It's soft. It's just like soft serve at the moment. If I keep it longer, then an hour and a half will be slightly harder. If you wanted to keep it more than 24 hours, I would recommend you to put a pinch of xanthan gum, but for soft serve, we don't really need it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.